before you to tell that this motivations and all this rubbish things will not work now. Just for entertaining, I am not here. I am not here. I can clearly say that I am not here for entertaining purpose. आज की वीडियो ना बहुत अलग होने वाली है, इसलिए हमारे साथ एंड तक बने रहें. Today's video is very different from all the videos which I have done before, so be with us till end. So let's start. आपने देखा कि हमारे टाइटल पर जैसा कि लिखा हुआ है कि हाउ टू गेट फ्रॉम 40 to 90, तो आप यहां पर आ गए. आपने वीडियो पर क्लिक किया और आप यहां पर आ गए. सो व्हाई, क्यों, व्हाई यू वांट टू कम हियर, व्हाई यू वांट टू गेट 90, or you want some kind of motivation. So if you want any kind of motivation, so leave it now only, I will tell, because there is no motivation which will work for you. There is no motivation which will work for you, as because abhi tak, now till now what you have done will show in your result. And from now onwards, if you want that any kind of motivation I will get, I will see this video and after this I will start studying. You are in, means what I say, you are in big doubt and you will be in big trouble. And ye matlab what I will say about it. So there is no motivation which will work for you. अब तक आपने जो पढ़ा, अब तक आपने कुछ नहीं किया, अब तक आपने नहीं पढ़ा है, you have not done anything, so you want to get 90% without knowing anything. So how it is possible? So that's the thing. You go, you click to any video, they will tell that yes, like this you do, you study like this, and you will go and follow that. But after 5 days, what will happen? The motivation level will go down, and after that you will do the same thing. वही चीज फिर से repetition, and you will start the same thing as you are doing before. So for this, I will tell that leave this video. I will tell it clearly that leave this video if you don't want to achieve something in your life. I have seen that some students tell that board's marks doesn't matter. So I will tell for them that board's marks doesn't matter, but if you stand somewhere and if person asks that what you means, what is your percentage and what is the qualification, so you can tell that yes, 92% boards. So that's very good thing, and that is what we need inside you. There is no motivation. I have said it many times in this video that there is no motivation which will work for you, because from now you have to think that yes, I have to start studying. You sit quietly and see that आप अकेले बैठो और देखो जो कि आप क्या कर सकते हो. अब November is this last of November, and after this December will start. December, January, February. These 3 months, someone will tell that 10 years banao, someone will tell that specimen paper, someone will tell that you should go for important questions, you should go for helping book. That all the things are there, but you should start early. Now you think that what you can do to at least get 70 to 80%, or you find this very, means what I say, आज की it is very rude, means you will find that it is very rude, but it is for you, and that's why I am talking here with you about this. And regarding this only you are present with me. I am not here just for, means entertaining you all. Just for entertaining I am not here. I am not here. I can clearly say that I am not here for entertaining purpose. So you should means you should know that yes, now the time is, from now I should start, and from now only I can do this, and this is our time. You can do whatever you want. I will not say that you have to do this, you have to sleep for 6 hours, you sleep for 8 hours, you sleep for 7 to 8 hours. But what you should do after a day, you should find that yes, you should find that if you have this one, this is your graph, and if you are going in this way, there should be some rise, or it should be like this also. From here to here, your graph should rise from here to here also. So this is one of the important thing that you should have in you, and after one day you will find, after 24 hours you will find that yes, something I have knowledge of, something which I have got in this date. As today I find this, yes, I have done this, I have completed this. So you should start preparation like this, because there is no one who can tell you that what the potential is there present inside you. No one can know that what you have, what you can achieve, and how much better you can do. No one is there. If you see one topper, that how he has become a topper, so that's not the thing. Just a topper is not intelligent. You can say, you can see a lots of scientific proofs of this, that a class topper is not always a intelligent student. So that's here I wanted to tell you that you should analyze your days. From now, from today, you should start your graph. You should write somewhere that today I have to do these many tasks. I have to do physics chapter 1 2. I have to complete it, and after one day on Sundays you can have a check on all this and revise it. Revising is very important. If you do revision, then you will know that yes, this much I have known, and again if you will see this, then it will go to your mind very easily. And for that reason only I am here to tell you that no motivation will work for you. From now you should start, you should make your graphs. You are the one who know your potential. If you will say that what you should do, what you should do further, what is your aim, if you will ask this from anyone, they will say clearly that you are the one who have to do anything. So you should know that what you want to become, and you should have that potential in you, that yes, in this field I am there, so I can achieve, means I can achieve this very well, and I have to know this, that yes, I can do this. So that's very important thing. For that reason only I am here before you to tell that this motivations and all this rubbish things will not work now, because as this is the end of November and you will find this, means this is nothing, means this will never, means this is not for your studies. If you want to leave this video, you can leave it now, because this video will not increase your marks anywhere, but yes, it will help you to start your preparation from now. Because after this you have to see that you have to promise that after this, if you are moving from one place to another for searching of some motivation or the other thing, that yes, you get motivation from here, and you will start, after this video you will start studying, and in the means in description you will find that some other video is there, so you will go jump right to there, and you will find that in this video I am not, means I am not satisfied, and after this in the description of this video I will click into another and go to the next video, and by this only I will, means waste my whole day. That's a very bad thing which most of the students do while in their exams. Means in their exam time they have to find the motivation from somewhere to get good marks. So that's the thing, you have to promise that after this video you will just keep your phone aside and you will start your preparation. If you don't start now, then you are in loss. There is no one who will regret for you. There is no one who will stand for you. All friends will go and move further, but you and you, only one, you will suffer in your life. So that was the video. My intention is not to hurt anyone, but this video is very important for them, those who have not started their preparation for now. and this video will only help you to increase your marks, and your marks doesn't matter but your efforts matter, that how much efforts you have put to score good marks, or to at least to pass in your exams, how much efforts you have made to pass. So and that's the thing, you will say that yes, I have not achieved 90 plus, but my efforts were full, and I will say that I have done 100% from my side, so I am the winner. So that's the feeling which should come from inside, that yes, this is the thing, and by this only you can achieve success in your life. And 90% and 95% or becoming an IITian doesn't mean success in your life, and your life starts now. After this video you will not watch any other video, you will not jump to any other video, and that's the thing which I wanted to tell you in this video. In all the videos I just tell you that I have done few Java videos, few Merchant of Venice video, few English, Hindi, all the things I have done. But you will not see, then you are in loss. There is no one who will suffer for you. You are only there. So you start from now, and if you will not start, then it's okay. Nothing of my loss, and there is nothing for me to regret. There is you and only you to regret. So I will not say anything, just bye bye.